Here we are at the hot water beach in New Zealand. The sea is pretty cold, so it's not called the hot water beach because of the seawater. But if you wait for the right time and dig a hole near the sea, the water in the hole gets warm. There's one sweet spot at the beach where most of the people come. Today was Saturday, so many families and tourists came here and digged their holes. So there's one small spot where you can just stand near the sea and drag your feet a little bit in the ground. It's burning hot. Just dig a small hole there and the water will start to boil. It's literally that hot. It's so cool. The weather is getting worse now, so we're getting back to our campsite.
Well, I gave you all my love and I gave you all my trust and I gave you everything that you need. But you only told me lies and you made me realize that, babe, you ain't no good for me. I can't be with you, you can't be true. And I know just what I got to do. Gotta hit the ground running.
The next day we went to the cathedral cove. It's just an awesome place, so stunning. There's not much to say about it.
Running just as fast as I can. Well, you're begging me to stay, but I'm going my own way, and the skies ain't looking cloudy or gray. I won't even roll the dice so that you can't blame me twice, no babe. Who do you think I am? Well, I'm gonna take my own road, and I'm sorry, baby, you can't go.
Later that day we drove to an old mining tunnel or mining complex. It's pretty interesting to see how they worked 100 years ago. You can walk through these old mining tunnels and see the structure of the buildings. Not far from that gold mining complex there was a train tunnel. That was pretty interesting because it was 1.2 kilometers long, so you nearly couldn't see the end. And the acoustics inside there were just so interesting. Unfortunately my camera battery died, but at least I got some footage. Maybe you can get a scale of it. Today we went to Hobbiton. It's the old Lord of the Rings set. It's quite expensive, but it's nice to see. Let's say it's okay. Then we drove here to the camping site at Lake Taupo. It's a big lake. I will end this vlog right here. Thank you again for tuning in and see you in the next vlog. Peace!
We rode the sun, we became one. We rode the sun, we became one.